In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS campaign in Omnisend. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Omnisend. From the results, click the official Omnisend website to get to the homepage. Once you're there, select Login and sign in to your account. After you land in your dashboard, head straight to the Campaigns section. This is where you'll build, manage, and send your SMS outreach. Inside Campaigns, click the plus New Campaign button and choose SMS. This opens the SMS Campaign Builder, where you'll enter all of the key details. First, give your campaign a clear internal name. Make it specific and descriptive so you can easily find it again later. Now compose your text message. Keep it within 160 characters to fit a single SMS segment. Short, direct language works best. Lead with your value, include a single clear call to action, and avoid special symbols that can reduce character limits. If you're planning a time-sensitive offer, make that urgency obvious without sounding spammy. If it makes sense for your message, click Select File to add an image or GIF. Just remember that adding media can convert your message to MMS and may use more credits. Keep files lightweight and relevant, and avoid overly busy visuals so your main point stays front and center. Next, decide whether to toggle automatically shorten links on or off. Turning it on saves characters and often helps with tracking. But if you prefer full URLs for brand recognition, you can leave it off. Choose what best fits your tone and deliverability strategy. Specify your unsubscribe instructions and edit your UTM tags. Clear opt-out language is essential for compliance and trust. Simple wording like reply stop to opt out is typical. Then review your UTM tags so analytics tools correctly attribute traffic and conversions to this campaign. As you edit, you'll see a live preview on the right side of the screen. Use it to double-check line breaks, links, and character count. When it looks right, click Next Step. Choose who should receive the message. You can send to all subscribers or target specific segments for higher relevance. Confirm your selection, then click Next Step again. You'll see an estimate of the SMS credits required based on your audience and message. Review this to ensure it aligns with your budget, and then click Review Campaign. Do a final check of your content, media, links, audience, and UTM tags. When everything looks perfect, either send now or schedule for later. If scheduling, pick a time that respects your audience's time zones and any applicable quiet hours. And that's it. You've set up and dispatched an SMS campaign in Omnisend.